Have you ever felt like you're just reacting to life, not planning it? You have big goals, but a packed calendar and endless to-do list get in the way. What if you could change that? What if you had an AI co-pilot for life? I'm on a journey with my Human-Gemini-Grok alliance to build a business, learn new skills, and create a brand. This powerful partnership can be your strategic co-pilot for life, helping you plan your future self and achieve your biggest goals.
To build this vision, you only need to understand 3 core technologies. First, predictive analytics that looks at your past habits to forecast future outcomes. It helps you see beyond the day-to-day to understand your life's potential trajectory. Next is machine learning, the engine that finds patterns in your data. The more you use it, the more personalized its recommendations become. For example, this is how a wellness app can connect your mood to your sleep patterns. Finally, natural language processing is the magic that makes AI feel like a partner. It's what allows you to have a conversation with an AI coach or get a summarized report.
Your AI Copilot is not just a single app, it's an entire toolkit for life. For productivity, it can turn abstract goals into actionable plans. Some AI tools can instantly convert your to-do lists into scheduled time blocks on your calendar, helping you finish 85% of your tasks compared to just 40% with traditional lists. For career and skill cultivation, AI can be your career co-pilot. It can assess your skill gaps and create a customized evolving curriculum. This is part of the Human-AI upskilling loop, where AI creates a need for new skills and is also the tool to acquire them. For financial planning, AI is democratizing expertise. Some apps can analyze your spending and help you avoid unnecessary purchases, while others can help you run instant what-if financial scenarios. For wellness, AI can be a partner for mental and physical health. It can offer stress management techniques or track your emotions through journaling.
My journey has taught me that AI is not a magical replacement, it's a strategic partner. I work with AI for what it does best, like speed, efficiency, and data analysis. It can process vast amounts of data in seconds. Besides, AI lacks empathy and lived experience. It can't feel emotions or provide the kind of genuine human connection. Also, AI excels at transactional advice, like giving you a to-do list, but it falls short on transformational guidance, which is about shifting your mindset.
The most effective strategy is a hybrid one. For example, you can work with AI for daily scheduling, but rely on yourself for a deeper understanding. Or, you can use it to identify data patterns from your journal, but edit and manual journaling for deep emotional reflection.
For this alliance to truly work, you need an ethical compass. My research shows that the biggest risks are data privacy and algorithmic bias. Your journey is defined by 3 key principles. First, curation. Be deliberate in choosing your tools and the data you share. Next, criticality. Always question the AI's suggestions. Its insights are a reflection of its data, not an objective truth. Then, consciousness. Be aware of the trade-offs between speed and privacy.
So, can an AI be your co-pilot for life? Absolutely. The AI provides the data, the insights, and the efficiency. You provide the vision, the wisdom, and the ethical compass. What's the first step you'll take toward planning for your future self? Don't forget to share your ideas in the comments below as the journey continues.